Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and I'd like to tell you how I record my videos. I've already said that I don't believe in editing because you can't edit live, but also I don't watch my own videos after I record them. It's just the way I am. My voice sounds a lot slower to me. Like in my head, my voice is perfect, but hearing myself, I don't like. It's like so many other people that don't like hearing their own voices, because to me there's always something I could do better, and if I watch it, and I see all the things I can do better, and then I'll think, oh, freak my life. How am I supposed to live with myself now? So that's why I don't watch it. Besides, there's always things that can be done better. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. I get Sundays off. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.